Hey Knights, it's Miss Cross and Lulu. She said she wanted to help me out with day 4 of your CSI homework. Today, your assignment only has 3 questions on it. It talks a lot about the main idea. Remember, the main idea is what the author is trying to tell you about the story. It might give you a whole bunch of details and that might confuse you. Just think about what is it talking about the most? Who is it talking about? And really, what happens in the story? I'm not going to bore you too much and go over main idea because I think you guys are already experts at that. But I did want to do a review with you today. There are 3 words that all of my CSI kiddos practiced a lot when they were hanging out with me. I thought that today, Lulu could help us. Oh, so tired. Lulu could help us go over those 3 words. The first word, noun. Who remembers what a noun is? Let's see, Tommy? Michael? Isaac? I think everybody in my class remembers what a noun is. A noun is a person, like me, a place, like Idea Kyle, or a thing, like my cute little puppy Lulu. What about if I said the word adjective? Who remembers what an adjective is? Delilah? Luz? Melania? I know everybody knows that an adjective is a word that describes a noun. So, if I have a noun, my puppy Lulu, what's a word that you might use to describe her? I would say my dog Lulu is very cute. Does anybody else have another word? Maybe she's tiny. Maybe she's brown and black. Those are all words that you could use to describe my dog Lulu. Now last, but not least, what is a verb? Who knows what a verb is? I'm looking to see if anybody at home remembers what a verb is. Michaela? Tommy? A verb, remember, is an action word. It's something that you're doing. So maybe my little dog is sleeping. She is doing that. Maybe she is barking. She's not going to bark right now. But maybe those are things that she can do. You could say running or talking or laughing. Those are all things that are verbs. So today, Knights, I challenge you to remember what verbs and adjectives and nouns are, and to try to say at least 3 of each one of those today. So find 3 nouns and point them out to your mom. If you find 3 verbs to describe those nouns and what they're doing, awesome. And if you can find 3 more adjectives to describe that or something else, you would be doing an awesome job. Knights, remember, if you need any extra help, Miss Cross has office hours from 10 to 10:30 every day where you can live chat with me just like this. I also posted a video below of a YouTube video that has a video about main idea. In case you're still stuck, it might help you remember all of the little details. Have an awesome Thursday night, and remember, I'm always here if you need some help. Say bye, Lulu.